Hello everyone, my name is Kopet Pramono. Today I want to share not just who I am, but who I am becoming. Right now, I see myself as a hardworking and ambitious person, but also someone who enjoys life in a simple and relaxed way. I believe that life is not only about chasing success, but also about appreciating moment with my with the people we love. I'm a husband and a father. I have 3 years old son, and he is one of my biggest motivation in my life. Being a father has changed the way I think, act, and plan my future. In the next 5 years, I want to become better version of myself in many aspects. I want to have a stable and successful career, be financially secure for my family, and become a better husband and a father. I also want to improve my English skill so I can communicate it more confidently, open more opportunities in my career. For me, success means being able to balance work, family, and personal growth. In learning English, I have some strength. I'm a hardworking person, so I try to keep learning even when I feel difficult. I'm also motivated because I know English is important for my future. However, I also have weaknesses. Sometimes I feel less confident when speaking English. My vocabulary is still limited, and I don't always remember grammar correctly. But I believe that making mistake is part of the learning process. Because I have a busy life as a worker and a father, I try to learn English in flexible way. I I usually watch English videos or movies, listen to simple conversation, practice speaking little by little. I don't force myself too much, but I try to be consistent every day. I believe small progress every day will I lead to big result in the future. Monday to Friday, I working during the day, spend time with my family in the evening, and coach in LA Taekwondo Club. Saturday, I quality time with my wife and a child, practice English casually. Sunday, I relax and do my hobbies like fishing, taking care of bird and fish. Review what learned. This plan helps me to balance work, family, and self-development. I realized the being busy in not always productive. For me, productive activities are working seriously, mm, learning new skill, spending quality time with my family. On the other hand, busy activities are doing this without clear purpose, what wasting time without learning anything. So now I try to focus on meaningful activities that bring value to my life. I'm a simple person who I still learning and growing every day. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to become better for myself and for my family. Because for me, who I am today is just the beginning of who I will become. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Gopet Pramono. Today, I want to share how I make smart decisions as a student, especially in managing my time, social media, and daily life. As a student, a worker, and also a father, I need to make careful decisions every day. Social media behavior and digital rules. In my daily life, I use social media, but I try to control it. I realize that social media can be useful, but it can also waste a lot of time. So, I have some digital rules. I am limit my time on social media. I avoid scrolling without purpose. I try to watch educational or useful content. For me, social media is a tool, not a distraction. In networking, I use both online and offline method. Only networking, online networking is faster and more practical than offline networking. I cannot I can connect my with many people easily through social media. However, offline networking is more personal and stronger than online networking. Meeting people directly help build trust and deeper relationship. So, I believe offline networking is more effective, but online networking is more efficient. One real decision I often face is choosing between studying and entertainment. Sometimes I feel tired after work and I want to relax, but I remind myself if I choose entertainment too often, I will lose valuable learning time. If I study consistently, I will improve my skill and my future opportunities. So, I try balance both, but I I prioritize learning. Money financial habits. In money life, I try to manage my finance carefully. I have a lot of responsibilities, especially for my family. I spend much money on daily needs, a lot of money for my child and household, but only a little money for entertainment. I also try to save money even if it is only a small amount. Sometimes I have few opportunities to save more, but I still try my best. My simple budget plan: 60-100% to daily needs, 20-100% to saving, and 20-100% to personal and hobbies. This simple budgeting help me stay disciplined. Making smart decisions, making smart decision is not always easy, but it is very important. I try to control my life, use social media wisely, manage my money, and focus on my future, because every small decision today will shape my life, because every small decision today will shape my life tomorrow. Thank you.